Welcome to Gadget Solution. Netgear Nighthawk AC1900 Smart Dual Band Wi-Fi Router. Unbox the router and power it on by connecting it to a power source. Connect the router to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the cable into the yellow Internet port on the router and the other end into your modem. Connect to the router. Use a computer or a mobile device to connect to the router's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser, enter http://www.routerlogin.com in the address bar and press enter. For any technical issue, 1-866-889-0666. You will be prompted to enter a username and password. Once logged in, the router's setup wizard should launch automatically. The setup wizard will guide you through configuring your internet connection type, typically DHCP for most cable modems. After setting up the basic internet connection, it's a good idea to check for firmware updates for your router. Restart your router and all connected devices to ensure everything is working correctly. For any technical issue, 1-866-889-0666. Thanks for watching.